Sim.
In the surgical department, the dentist leaves when the bridge is fitted.
Thank you.
A bridge with natural gingiva. This means solution for lip support is also this size, because the bridge substitutes the bone, so we can play around.
Okay. So now we have a little root of the canine here. We'll try to take it out.
Some of you saw this morning, these steps. And we check with the impression tray if it's everything with the holes.
30 degrees. Must be parallel to the malleol guide.
After this, we check the lip support, if we have a very resorbed situation or not.
Now she's placing the healing caps. As you can see, we almost cannot see the abutment.
Is that bone reduction does not induce the loss of.
So how we do that? In your articulator, with your master casts,